I'm sure you've heard the news. There's history hiding by the river. The Dutch cemetery in Cinsurah is its quiet headline. Let me show you why 18th century graves still speak. Nestled on the Hoogli Bank, the ASI-protected Dutch cemetery dates back to the 1700s, think 1743 to about 1846. Ordered by Louis Tyler-Furt for VOC officials. This 7,400 square meter walled ground holds roughly 45 surviving Dutch graves. Mausoleums, cenotaphs, carved headstones that read like trade routes in stone. You'll find Daniel Anthony Overbeek, the last Dutch resident of Bengal, traces of Armenians. Later British burials. Proof Cinsurah was a cosmopolitan hub rivaling Calcutta. It's the largest non-British European cemetery in West Bengal, quietly maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. Walk through and you're walking a map of spice, indigo, textiles, old sea lanes, history that still feels personal. If old stones could talk, these would tell tales of trade loss, a past worth visiting.